Today we're going to go over how to solve systems of equations by graphing, and this method is pretty simple way to solve systems of equations. So let's start with the first one. The first one reads y equals x plus 2 and y equals negative 2x plus 2. This is already in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, which I have right here. Okay, m equals slope, and the b equals the y-intercept. So here we have our slope, and we have y-intercept. Slope, y-intercept. Actually, the slope is negative 2, not the x. So let's start with the first one. So we have y equals x plus 2, and y equals negative 2x plus 2. Let's get out our little graph here really quick. There we go. So y equals x plus 2. We have a y-intercept. Let's do this in red so that it's in a different color. Hold on a second. Of 2. Okay. Then we have a slope of x, which basically that just means 1. So up 1 over 1. 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 I'm not going to keep doing that, but as you see, just trying to make a good line here. It's going to look something a little like that, okay? So then with our second one, we have another y-intercept of 2. And then our slope is negative 2x, so that means 1. Down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Okay? Should look something like that. The only reason I'm doing it a lot is so that I can get a nice, good straight line. So that the line won't look all weird. Should look something like that. Of course, if you're doing it on a piece of graph paper, it's going to look much better. So if you look and you see, where do they intersect? They intersect right here, obviously. What's that point right there? That point is 0, 2. 0. 2. Let's test this out. We have 2 equals 0 plus 2. True. And then we have this one, 2 equals negative 2 times 0 plus 2. Negative 2 times 0 is, of course, going to be 0. Plus 2 is 2. And 2 equals 2. That turns out to be true. So, yes, 0, 2 is, in fact, the solution to this equation right here. So, come on back and we'll figure out and in the second video, we'll figure out the other two problems.